How to cook salad. Cooking for men and students. Vegetarian friendly. For a different, easy to cook meal for every day of the month, please subscribe. I know what you're thinking, you don't cook salad. You're right, of course, but there are loads of things you can add to salads, but not this. My favourite is cheese omelette and couscous. What you'll need: 2 or 3 bottles of best beer. Cooking should be a pleasant activity, right? Various salad items, everything you have in the fridge. 4 eggs, a packet of couscous, cheese to grate into the omelette. What it will cost: meal for two, £2.86, per person £1.43. Cooking time: couscous as long as it takes to boil a kettle. Omelette 5 minutes per omelette. What to do: pour beer into glass and drink beer. Salad is not just lettuce and tomatoes. To lettuce and tomatoes, add cucumber, add sweet pepper, add beetroot, add coleslaw. Don't be like me and forget the celery. You can use any salad items you like, the more the merrier. Now, couscous is probably the easiest thing you'll ever cook. Put a kettle on to boil. Get out a measuring jug and a packet of couscous. Read amount of water to be added on the packet, in this case 160 ml. Add couscous to measuring jug. When kettle boils, add boiling water to 160 ml marker on jug. Stir with fork. Break 2 eggs into a mug. Whisk with fork. Pour a little oil into a frying pan. Turn heat about halfway up. Add the beaten egg to pan. Grate on cheese. After a few minutes, when one side of the omelette is cooked, turn it over with a wooden spatula. Add couscous to plate. Add omelette to plate. Enjoy your couscous and omelette salad with a nice glass of beer.